Coupa Expense Management Pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people get this wrong. They think Coupa is just another expense tracking tool. The surprising truth is Coupa is a comprehensive spend management platform that handles expenses, invoices, procurement and compliance, designed for large organizations with complex workflows. Coupa's pricing is customized based on user count, transaction volume and required modules. Smaller teams might start with a monthly per user fee for basic expense tracking, while larger enterprises receive a tailored quote that includes full automation, analytics, and integrations with ERP systems like SAP, Oracle and NetSite. Coupa automates receipt capture, approval workflows, and policy enforcement. It provides real-time reporting, analytics dashboards, and mobile access for submitting and approving expenses on the go. Coupa also supports multi-currency transactions, tax compliance, and corporate card reconciliation, making it ideal for global organizations. In conclusion, Coupa Expense Management Pricing is flexible and scales with organizational complexity. The platform offers significant ROI by reducing manual work, enforcing compliance, and providing insights into spending patterns. For enterprises seeking to optimize expense management and overall spend, Coupa is a comprehensive solution that turns expense tracking into a strategic advantage.